The Tecno Pova 7 Pro is an upcoming smartphone from Tecno, expected to launch in the first quarter of 2025. The device is anticipated to feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering a smooth and immersive viewing experience. It is likely to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7080 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth performance and ample space for apps, games, and media. The rear camera setup is expected to include a 50MP main sensor, along with an 8MP secondary lens and a 0.08MP auxiliary sensor. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera will cater to content creators and video callers. The phone is rumored to pack a 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging support, making it ideal for all-day usage. Running on Android 15, the Pova 7 Pro will offer a modern and feature-rich software experience. Priced at around $280, it positions itself as a compelling mid-range device with solid specs for the money.